Okay, here's a nice little 10-inch Rico cruiser. This boat is almost new old stock. It's in such great shape. There's a little degradation of the paint on the cabin. I just cleaned everything up, the fittings and everything, just to make it look a lot nicer. I did not repaint it or touch it up, anything like that. That's the box that came in. Here's the Rico stuff, style number and everything else. Cost $3. Probably for about $19.50, $55 right in there. It's 10 inches long. It's a nice little cruiser, it really is. Here it is running. It's a little finicky. I greased up the prop shaft, cleaned up the switch because it was a little finicky running. It still is a little touchy. Sometimes it doesn't go forward, reverse, just forward only. So, but anyway, there you go. I'm sticking it on eBay, of course. I put it on here because it's a nice little boat. People on YouTube can see these things. But it is a Rico. The only thing is, it doesn't have the exhaust on the back. So, maybe because of the way they have the rudder. But anyway, it's a nice little boat. So if you're interested, pick it up on eBay. Also, if you got any boats you need restored, send the pictures and information to RBOJCK@gmail.com. My website's down. I may never put another website up because it costs too much. So I'm just restoring boats right now. I've got a bunch of boats to do, and so that's basically what I'm doing now. If you're interested in any of my boats that I used to make, just let me know and I'll make you one. You can find them online or on YouTube, and we can go from there. Thanks again.